To honor Dr. Thomas Harry Seldon and the values he championed, the IARS established the Seldon Memorial Lecture, our keynote address. This lecture, featuring renowned experts, is intended to spark important conversations in pursuit of knowledge and discovery. After beginning his career in Ontario as a general practitioner, in 1936, Dr. Seldon moved his family to Rochester, Minnesota, to start training for a career in anesthesiology at the Mayo Clinic. As his reputation grew, Dr. Seldon became revered as an enthusiastic teacher, a trusted colleague, and a talented practitioner. There was nothing he would shy away from, and his enthusiasm for science and medicine was boundless. He saw what the anesthesiology field could be and helped take it there. Dr. Seldon actively served on many nonprofit boards that provided professionals connected with anesthesiology and blood transfusion the training and research they needed. Of the many advisory positions, Dr. Seldon had a unique connection to IARS and its journal, Current Researches in Anesthesia and Analgesia. After becoming directing editor in 1954 and board chair of IARS in 1956, Dr. Seldon revamped the journal, catapulting it to a four-fold increase in circulation. In addition to his duties at the Mayo Clinic and demands as ANA directing editor, Dr. Seldon was able to publish an astounding 122 medical papers over the span of 40 years. Dr. Seldon knew, as scientists, we couldn't allow the politics between doctors, organizations, or countries be deterrents of knowledge. He understood to best serve our patients and our craft, we must always strive to be better. The Seldon Lecture honors Dr. Seldon in recognition of his enormous contributions to the IARS and to the Anesthesia and Analgesia Journal. We hope you find today's lecture stimulating and invigorating.